As you could see from the title of this video, today we are drawing Skye from Paw Patrol. So let's get started. We start by drawing some of the facial features and then we move on to the body. I honestly find her ears so cute. It's really fun to draw them. And these straps too. Really cute. And now it's time for her gear. Otherwise, how is she gonna fly? Now I'm using a 4B dark pencil and we're gonna basically make everything nice and dark so that it pops. Otherwise it looks a bit dull, the drawing. We can do this directly as well, but then it becomes a bit difficult to erase if you make a mistake. So that's why in the beginning we use a lighter pencil and then we move on to the darker stuff. There she is, our sweet little Skye. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more of these kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel and you can like the video if you want. And thank you so much for watching. Take care.